Morning viewer, welcome to our first active year's most breaking news. Yes, drugs that treat conditions like depression and anxiety often come with varying side effects as they regulate various functions within the human body at the same time. What if these drugs could activate only the functions that target the specific conditions that they are designed to treat? A team of researchers has found a potential way to treat these conditions with fewer side effects, led by Professor Gavin Daw, head of the Department of Pharmacology at the Yong Lin School of Medicine, National University of Singapore. The team conducted modifications of relaxin through a neuropeptide or molecule found mainly in the human brain and nervous systems that regulates a wide range of physiological functions including stress responses, appetite, mood, and pain perceptions. When relaxin through is released in the brain, it binds to a target receptor RXFP to trigger a variety of signaling responses among the cells which affect the body's physiological processes. However, as RXFP is involved in many different functions, a drug developed to treat certain conditions may cause unwanted side effects because several of RXFP signaling pathways are activated at the same time. For example, a drug that treats depression may cause adverse effects related to another functions such as feeding behavior, which is related to eating disorders and obesity. The receptor has also been demonstrated in much existing research, including earlier work by Professor Doi, to be a potential new target for drugs to treat these conditions. To develop better drug treatments with fewer side effects, the key is to activate only specific signaling pathways of RXFP that target specific condition. Professor Dawe's team modified the relaxin thread molecules such that they activated only a part of the RXFP thread response in their interactions instead of all the different signaling pathways. Their work is the first discovery that modifications of relaxin thread can lead to selective activation of some RXFP thread rate signaling pathways, which is a mechanism known as biased agonism. Professor Davis said our study has pointed to potential ways of developing drugs by modifying relaxin thread or other neuropeptides that can selectively activate specific functions within the body. This is important as it means drugs could be designed to have more specific effects and less undesired adverse effects, making them more effective in managing a range of conditions like anxiety, depression, eating disorder, obesity, and addiction. Through a technique known as peptide stapling, the research team modified the beach chain of relaxin thread, replacing blocks of amino acids within them with artificial ones that introduce chemical bridges between them. Alone, the B chain is highly flexible and can twist and bend into many different shapes, reducing its ability to be stabilized for more effective binding and activation of the receptor RXFP thread. The stapling process looks the shape of the specific B chain in relaxin thread, stabilizing it for a more efficient interaction with the receptor RXFP thread, where it triggers certain signaling pathways in the brain that affects the body's physiological functions. Beautiful. Beyond the